Hi, this is Pavan Singh from Dream Design Institute. Today I will discuss about Extrude in NX CAD. First of all, open NX software and create this part. One is 3D and one is 2D sketch. Rotate the 3D part. Now go to Extrude. There are many options for Extrude. Click on Extrude directly or go to menu, insert, design feature, go to Extrude, or right click on sketch, go to Extrude or go to Extrude. If you know about the actual value, then fill the value in the end option. Suppose you know the value is 50, then fill the value 50, enter. If you want to change direction, then go to direction and click on reverse direction. You can change at any time. If you fill there 20 in the start option, then 3D will start after 20 distance. If you fill minus 20, then 3D will create from minus 20 distance. Total distance will 70. So fill the value there 0. Next option, if you click on symmetric value, it means 25 there from 2D sketch, 25 there from 2D sketch. Total value will 50. If you click on third option, then first click on value and fill there 0 and go to third option until next. It means it will stop where highest 3D part in the front of this sketch. It will stop. There no need to fill the value in this option. Just click on this option and it will automatically stop when upper 3D part is in front of this sketch. If the height of this sketch is low, then it will not stop. Suppose this part is height is lower than this sketch, so it will not stop. If you click on until selected, then you need to select where they will stop. But there is one requirement: their height is must higher than the sketch. If you click on this, it will stop. But if you click on there, it will not stop, because this portion height is also lower than this sketch. So if you want to create 3D, then click on this option until extended, then click on there, this surface, it will create. Until extended means it will extend, doesn't matter their height is lower or higher, it extends this with the reference of this area. If you click on offset from sketch, it means you can fill distance. Suppose I click on this and fill the value, suppose 20. It will extend after 20 distance. If you fill there minus 20, their gap is minus 20 from there. If you fill 0, sorry, no need to fill 0, then you fill, if you want to join, just you use until extended option. I fill 1, then this distance is 1, this distance is 1. If you use through all means when his height is more, then it stop on in front of the sketch. But this is only for in unite option. If you fill there subtract, then it will remove all material, doesn't matter its height is more or lower. In this option there are 3 options. Now see, look at the difference until next and until extended, sorry, and through all. In Boolean there are 3 options. First one is unite, it means solid. In the second option subtract, it means cutting. If you click on third option intersect, it means common portion will remain, other option will remove, other body will remove. One option is more, it means software automatic choose which option is best. So choose the option as per your requirement. If you click on none, it means both body will remain, but there is no relation between this body. Now this body is different, this body is different. Suppose click on fillet, edge blend. Now I want to click on this edge. Now click on this edge. Look, the blend will start. But if both body will join, then there is no option on this side, this edge. So use Boolean option carefully. This is very important during 3D. Suppose I use unite. Now I click on edge blend. Now I click on there is no option, but if I click on this, then this, there is no option because this is one body. Look, right click on sketch, go to hide, this body is one body. When you unite, look, when no unite, there is none, then this body is different, then this body is different. If you learn from this video, then please like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.